What's up everyone, I'm Mike, and welcome back to Top Crypto, and today we're going to talk about another high-potential project called Universe Finance. But before we start, please notice our disclaimer. Since I am not a financial advisor, this video is for informational and educational purposes only, so without further ado, let's begin to our topic. Universe Finance is Uniswap V3's active liquidity management technology based on risk ranking and quantitative techniques. Universe Finance, through a variety of combinable solutions, may assist consumers in increasing their profits from liquidity mining in a secure and stable manner. The net return rate is now between 40% and 70%, placing it ahead of comparable profit products in the DeFi industry. The world's first Uniswap V3 backtesting platform. Create an LP position and use clever quantitative tactics to optimize your profit. A smart vault with a high level of protection for high net worth people and institutions. World's first Uniswap V3 backtesting platform. To improve their product competition, they are developing new tactics, products, and tools. Universe Strategies V2. It provides their consumers with a greater APR, cheaper gas prices, and a smaller risk. Universe Leveraged Vault. It is an important component of our goods that will increase the return on investment for our LP. Universe Backtesting Platform. The backtesting platform is developing from a gadget to an open strategy creation platform in its latest edition. Universe Analysis Tool. This is a tool for assessing Uniswap's profit. The main function is to track every LP's real revenue from Uniswap and assess their rebalancing as well as their profit and loss. Single asset vaults, like dual asset vaults, may suffer temporary loss. It is, however, calculated in a different way. Reasons to deposit via an active liquidity management platform rather than directly on Uniswap V3. Universe, not Uniswap, will automatically compound your interests. Uniswap will not assist you in adjusting your pricing range, Universe will. If your liquidity remains outside the current price range, you will not be charged any trading costs. Universe will reimburse your rebalancing gas expenses, however Uniswap will not. When modifying your pricing range, you must pay expensive gas prices. Universe will cover all of your gas fees for each movement. The Private Vault is a highly secure version of the Smart Vault created by Universe specifically for high net worth individuals and institutions. If you are a user with a fund worth more than $2 million, or a qualifying or KOL institution, you may submit your application to Universe Finance for free. Their Private Vault is presently only open to individuals on the white list in order to further safeguard our members' assets. Their Early Bird Vault, on the other hand, is available to all users. They use the identical security strategy to protect these two vaults, with the exception that the Early Bird Vault is not on the white list. In terms of income, both employ the same methods. At the same time, they must recognize that each investment may have a certain risk. Before making an investment, users should thoroughly assess their risk tolerance. Audited by many blockchain audit firms, Universe Finance guarantees the security of the contracts through the audit of their security protocols by foremost experts in the blockchain field such as CertiK and PeckShield. They will continue to engage with other blockchain audit firms in the future to provide high-level security protection to our users. Externally owned account mechanism. All addresses in the private vault can only be accessed through EOA and not through the contract accounts. Because hackers can only launch lightning attacks through contract accounts, the EOA mechanism isolates the contract accounts and root out the conduit for lightning attacks. Smart quantitative strategies cannot be upgraded, which means Universe team cannot interfere with users' funds through renewing strategies. The smart strategies are programmed only to rebalance the user's funds, not transfer and move funds in or out of the contract account. Concentrated liquidity amplifies return, while also amplifies the risk of impermanent loss. Rebalancing and reinvesting require expensive gas fee. The timing and parameters of rebalance are complex quantitative issues. Compared with the automatic reinvestment in V2, users are required to reinvest manually in Uniswap V3. How to protect investors with low-risk appetite from the volatility of risky assets and impermanent loss. The roadmap. 2021 Quarter 2. Backtesting platform, quantitative strategies, and smart vault. 2021 Quarter 3. Private vault, mainnet launch, hedge vault, and support layer 2. 2021 Quarter 4. Leveraged, token distribution, token economics, and liquidity mining. 2022 Quarter 1. DAO governance and cross-chain. Here are the investors, partners, and audits. Investors: Tetu, Pulse, Dodo, Biconomy, and many more. Partners: Polygon, InstaDApp, Olympus, DeFi Llama, and more. Audits: Certic and PeckShield. Let's take a look at Universe Finance Twitter page. They started their official page back at December 2017 and have 9,357 followers. And here are the pinned tweet of Universe Finance on Twitter. A quick summary of UNT and IDO. And that's all for Universe Finance. Come visit our channel, subscribe, and watch out for our next videos here at Top Crypto. Thank you for watching.